little scientists! Welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We see many colors around us. Leaves are green, sky is blue, and roses are red. In this video, let's understand the reason for the color in which any object is visible to us. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the Properties of Light Activity Kit. Take out the foam base, foam stand, red, blue and green LED lights, battery holders, batteries, red, blue and green foam rectangles and sellotape from the kit. You will also need a pair of scissors from your home. In order to observe the best results, we should perform this experiment in a dark room or at night. Put the batteries in the battery holders. The negative terminal of the battery should be towards the spring of the battery holder. Now, close the battery holders. Check the lights by connecting them to the battery holder wires one by one. Now, turn on the switch of the battery holders. Now, take the foam stand and the foam base and insert the foam stand into this slot in the foam base, like this. Now, fix the red light into the hole on the foam stand which is marked R. Similarly, fix the blue light into the hole marked B and the green light into the hole marked G. Make sure that you connect the red wire of the bulb with the red wire of the battery holder and the black wire of the bulb to the black wire of the battery holder. Cover the wire joints with the black sellotape. Use the scissors to cut the sellotape. Now, place the setup in front of a white painted wall such that the lights face towards the wall. Turn the red light on and bring your hand in front of the red light. Can you see the shadow of your hand on the wall? Now, let's turn on the green light also and observe the shadow. What colors of shadows do you see? Right, green and red. Repeat this by turning on different combinations of lights and observe the colors of the shadows that we obtain. Blue and green and red and blue. And now all the three colors, red, blue and green. Now place the different colored foam rectangles in front of the lights. Turn on the red light only. What do you observe? Only the red colored foam piece is visible and blue and green colored foam pieces appear black to us. Similarly, for green light, only the green colored foam piece is visible. And for blue light, only the blue colored foam piece is visible. When all the three lights are switched on, we are able to see all the three colored foam pieces. In the first case, when we bring our hand in front of the red light, the wall becomes red and a dark shadow of our hand is formed on the wall. Dark shadow is formed because our hand does not allow the red light to reach the wall behind it. When combination of 2 or 3 colored lights are used, the area
in which only red light is falling forms red colored shadow, and similarly for blue and green lights. In the second case, since the color of the foam pieces visible to us depends on the color of the light that they reflect, the red colored foam piece is visible to us only in red light, the green colored foam piece is visible to us only in green light, and the blue colored foam piece is visible to us only in blue light. When all the three lights are switched on simultaneously, all the three foam pieces are visible. When any opaque object comes in the way of light and prevents it from falling on any surface, it creates a dark area called shadow. Out of the different colors of light, any object appears to us as the color of the light which it reflects back. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.